Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Skyrro Ear Cleaning Set is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions on the market today for anyone looking to maintain optimal ear hygiene safely and comfortably, moving beyond traditional cotton swabs with its advanced technology designed to provide a clear view and gentle removal of earwax, ensuring a thorough clean without the risks associated with outdated methods, making it an essential tool for personal care. Number 5. BetyBedy 7 Pcs Ear Pick Set. Discover a new way to care for your ears with this comprehensive cleaning tool set. It's designed for effective and gentle ear cleansing. This kit includes everything you need for thorough ear hygiene. You'll find multiple tools to suit your specific needs. Crafted for safety and efficiency, these tools help remove earwax without causing discomfort. Achieve a clean and clear feeling. Maintain your tools with the included small cleaning brush. Plus, keep everything organized and hygienic in the provided storage box. The elegant silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to your personal care routine. It looks as good as it performs. Invest in your ear health with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect addition to your grooming essentials for a comfortable experience. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive collection of tools for your ear cleaning needs. It includes a small cleaning brush and a convenient storage box for organization. If you are looking for a complete, traditional ear cleaning kit with all the essentials, this is a great choice. What people say. This nifty set has kept that from happening. My ears have never been this clean. With these tools you can get far enough into the ear canal to gently scrap the wax out along the canal walls. Works great. Number 4. Hion 6 Pcs Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs to clean your ears? Research shows they can actually push earwax further in and cause harm. Our professional kit offers a safer alternative. Crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel, this tool is rust-proof and hypoallergenic, preventing irritation or infection. Its nano-polished surface ensures it's smooth and safe for your ear canal. Featuring a double-headed design with various specialized tools, it effectively removes both dry and oily earwax. Different scoops cater to various earwax types and ear canal sizes. The anti-slip grip ensures a secure and comfortable experience. It's designed to be easy and efficient for cleaning ears of all sizes, from children to adults. Each tool comes with a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. A portable storage box keeps everything organized and ready for use at home or while traveling. We are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a solution. Add it to your cart today. What we like? Crafted from 316L stainless steel with a nano-polishing process, this kit ensures a smooth, safe, and non-irritating experience. Its extended, double-headed design allows for versatile cleaning of both dry and oily earwax. If you prioritize a professional-grade, gentle, and effective cleaning tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality is extremely well made. These hominy head that worked as scratcher, remover of crumbs. No sharp metal burrs from being poorly made, and nothing was too rough that it scratched the inside of my ears. It does what it is designed for. Well made. I opted for the surgical steel as it should be easier to clean and maintain, and it has every ear cleaning tool imaginable. Number 3. 8 Pcs Stainless Steel Ear Wax Removal Kit. Introducing our 8-piece ear wax removal kit, designed for both adults and children. It offers a safe and effective way to clean your ears. This professional kit features double-headed tools for versatile cleaning. Each piece is crafted for precision and ease of use. Made from high-quality 316L stainless steel, these tools are durable and rust-resistant. They ensure a hygienic cleaning experience every time. The set includes a cleaning brush and a convenient storage box. Keep your tools organized and ready for use. Perfect for the entire family, this kit is suitable for both kids and adults. Achieve a thorough clean with confidence. Elegantly finished in silver, this ear cleaning set is as stylish as it is functional. It's a practical addition to your personal care routine. What we like? This extensive 8-piece set features double-headed tools designed for thorough ear cleaning. The silver finish adds a touch of elegance to the durable stainless steel construction. If you desire a wide variety of tools to tackle different earwax situations and appreciate a classic, reliable option, consider this kit. What people say. Works well with removing wax, cleans much better than Q-tips. Can easily clean after use and affordable. This product works so much better to clean out your ear canal than Q-tips. It doesn't push ear wax deeper in your ear. I'm very pleased with it. The tools are made from high-quality 316L stainless steel, which feels sturdy and durable. Each piece is well designed, allowing for safe and precise cleaning without causing discomfort. The kit comes with multiple types of tools, so you can choose the right one for different needs. I found the scoop and loop tools especially useful for gently removing wax, while the spiral and spring designs help with deeper cleaning. The included cleaning brush makes it easy to maintain hygiene and keep the tools ready for reuse. The storage box is compact and organized, so everything stays in place and is easy to find when needed. The kit works well for both children and adults, and I feel much more confident using it than traditional cotton swabs, which can sometimes push wax further in. Overall, this earwax remover kit is professional, safe, and effective. It's a practical investment for personal hygiene and family use, offering multiple tools, durability, and convenience in one set. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a safer way to clean ears at home. Number 2. 8 Pcs Stainless Steel Ear Pick Set. Introducing our 8-piece ear care kit, crafted from 100% medical-grade stainless steel. These durable tools are designed for safe and effective personal and family use. Experience a comfortable cleaning with our fully polished tools. Their smooth, rounded surfaces prevent irritation, while the non-slip handles ensure a secure grip for enhanced safety. Discover unique tools designed to relieve itching and massage your ear canal. Their ergonomic, skid-resistant design provides easy control and a safer cleaning experience. Keep your tools organized and accessible with the included elegant storage box. It's perfect for both at-home and professional use, making ear hygiene effortless. We are confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, we offer an unconditional money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. Presented in a well-designed package, this set makes a thoughtful and practical Valentine's Day gift for your loved ones. Give the gift of ear hygiene and care. What we like. Made from 100% medical-grade stainless steel, these tools are built for longevity and safety. The unique spring and spiral design offers effective itch relief and ear canal massage. If you're seeking a tool that not only cleans but also soothes and massages your ear canal, this elegant set is an excellent option. What people say. Each tool feels sturdy, well-crafted, and made of quality stainless steel. The variety of shapes and sizes makes it simple to handle different types of build-up gently and precisely. It comes in a compact storage case, keeping everything organized and hygienic. The handles have a good grip, and the tools are easy to clean after use. Easy to use, didn't hurt at all, easy to clean, and solved the problem. For the first time this year I can actually hear like normal. Number 1. Electric Ear Wax Removal with 1080p Camera. Experience a revolutionary way to clean your ears. This all-in-one device gently washes away ear wax while the camera ensures nothing is left behind. See inside your ear canal like never before. Monitor the cleaning process in real time, ensuring complete cleanliness and targeting any stubborn spots. Tailor your ear cleaning experience with 4 adjustable pressure levels. Choose the perfect setting for your comfort and needs, from gentle to strong. Our non-invasive, water-based system is safe for daily use. Visually confirm a thorough clean without any irritation, leaving your ears feeling fresh. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. It includes the electric cleaner, multiple tips, a wireless camera, and accessories for a complete routine. What we like. This innovative kit combines an electric ear cleaner with a 1080p ear camera for a visually guided cleaning experience. With 4 customizable pressure settings and a water-powered system, it offers a safe and gentle yet highly effective way to clean your ears. If you want to see exactly what you're doing and have precise control over the cleaning process, this high-tech solution is perfect for you. What people say. After blasting my eardrums out with a good pressure washing, I can now hear phenomenally well. The high-frequency response of my hearing has improved. Used ear drops, take showers often and lets the water get in her ears some, etc. Used this and after filling it with warm water the first time we used all the water. Gave it overnight and used it again next day and got so much gunk out and she could hear clearly again. Using the camera helps get parts you wouldn't see with the average eye. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.